Hello. Welcome back again to Server Dreamer Online Classroom. Now, we're going to discuss again another lesson for week 1, which is complement of a set. Complement of a set. Okay, so let's start. What is complement of a set? The complement of set A denoted by A apostrophe. So it's look like capital letter A apostrophe. So that is what does it mean by complement. It is the set of all elements in the universal set that are not in A. Okay? So I'll speak in our language. Ang complement daw ay mga elements na makikita sa universal set pero wala sa set A. For example, we have universal set U or set U, set of numbers from 1 to 10. What are the elements? U is equal to, we have the following elements: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. For example, we have set A. We have the following elements from set A: 1, 3, 6, 9, and 10. The question is, what is complement of a set A? So, by the definition, the complement is the set of all elements in the universal set that are not in A. Okay? So, for example, ayan nga. So, let's answer. So, ano yung mga elements na makikita sa U pero wala sa A? So, what is the answer? 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8. Okay? Nakuha mo ba? Very good. Okay. Let's have another example. We have U is equal to numbers from 1 to 10. We have the given set A, set B, set C. We have set A, we have the following elements: 2, 4, 6, 9, and 10. And we have set B, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And we have set C, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So let's find complement of set A, set B, set C. Okay, so let us answer what is the complement of set A. Again, ang kukunin natin ay yung mga element na makikita sa U pero wala sa set A. For example, tingnan natin, set A. So we have, para sa madali, we have to cross out 2, 4, 6, 9, 10. So ano yung mga na-cross out na makikita natin sa U? 1, 3, 5, 7, and 8. So therefore, what are the element or complement of set A? 1, 3, 5, 7, and 8. Okay? Nakuha? Very good. So let's have another example. What is the complement of B? So what are the complements that what are the complement of set B? These are the elements that we can see in universal set that we cannot see in set B. What are those elements? So let us cross out. As you can see, di ba, na-cross out? So malinaw, ang mga hindi na-cross out, that is the complement of B, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, very good. So let's have another example. Complement of C. These are the elements that we cannot see in set C, but we can see in universal set. What are those elements? 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay? So, that is what does it mean by complement. Complement of a set. These are the set of elements that we can see in the universal set, but we cannot see in the set A or B or the given set. Okay? Did you get it? Very good. So that's all for the complement of a set. Thank you for watching.